fair-sized Volkswagen Passat car is in its fourth era, with the current model presented almost 10 years prior. It is the main model Volkswagen started working at its Chattanooga, Tennessee, manufacturing plant, however soon it will presently don't be made. In fact, Volkswagen as of late affirmed that the Passat will before long be dropped, albeit the comparative estimated Volkswagen Arteon may live on. Since appearing, the Passat is addressed an average size, front-wheel drive four-entryway vehicle with space for 5. This model highlights a wide grille with flat braces, enormous LED lighting components, and a ribbed hood. Its profile is a lot more agreeable than most contenders with its even beltline, delicate person lines, and restricted body chiseling. From the back, slender wraparound taillamps, a trimmed lip spoiler, and double exhaust ports mark the belt. Inside, the Passat has one of the roomiest back traveler regions in this class. Two 6-foot-tall grown-ups sitting behind two 6-foot grown-ups fit effortlessly. A fifth traveler is conceivable. The storage compartment is an ample 15.9 cubic feet, which is somewhat better than expected for the section. VW dresses the Passat in material seats with certifiable calfskin accessible. A moderate lodge includes hard plastics and impersonation wood, however the standard calfskin wrap directing haggle segment facilitate that plain look fairly. The Passat accompanies a 6.3-inch touchscreen, one of the littlest in the fragment. USB port, CD player, Bluetooth, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay's cell phone similarity are among the infotainment highlights of note. A Fender sound framework is likewise successful. Volkswagen outfits each Passat model with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-chamber motor with 174 strength and 206 pound-feet of force. This motor works with a 6-speed programmed transmission to carry capacity to the front wheels. This car makes an EPA-assessed 2436 28 miles per gallon city interstate consolidated, which is normal for the fragment.